To sea grazing again this evening, same time as every even. About 50-60% of the herd ends up coming out soon enough after gate change. This is the wire gate on the ground. So you got just some white tape, trampoline springs onto a stick. So it means the truck can drive over. And then you got another one at this side here. And it allows the cows to cross from one roadway into the field. So we got another gap at this side. This lady is going across here now. So the cows simply cross over and back there, and the truck can, Jeep etc. can drive up and down the lane. This section here is ready for later on, 2 AM. You can see those girls are coming out in the distance.